0 plus 1 gives us 1. And 3 times 1 times 2, which equals 6. So 6 divided by 6, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, first we have to do parentheses, then exponents, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here, first we have to do this parentheses. After this parentheses, we have one division and two multiplications. Multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right. So after our parentheses, we have to do this division, not this multiplication or this multiplication. Okay, so first this parentheses, then this division, then this multiplication, and finally this multiplication. Okay, inside these parentheses we have 0 plus 1, which equals 1. So 6 divided by 3 times 1 and times 2. Okay, now we have to do this division. 6 divided by 3 gives us 2. So 2 times 1 times 2, which equals just 4. This is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 4.